Okay, so if you know me, you know I don't really dabble much into actual investing with stocks. I'm more so a day trader and swing trader. Still, with that, I think it's about time that I actually took the leap and started to invest, and I'm going to break down in this video what stock I'm looking for. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in today. Let me really preface the rest of this video with this understanding. I am by no means a stock investing expert. I really don't have much experience in it, but again, in this video I'm going to talk about why I'm purchasing United Airlines shares and my logic behind everything. And the real reason for that is that it's still down around 75 to 80% from the highs earlier in the last year or so. With the pandemic going on right now, I think airline stocks and the airline business as a whole has dropped substantially. I do think they'll eventually rebound. I think when the economy starts to roll back to its normal self, people stop being afraid of flying so much, which I do think is an inevitability. I think that's going to happen. I think the airline stocks will inevitably bounce back as well. And when I look at different airline stocks, in my opinion, I think the strongest one is United Airlines. It has the most brand recognition, the most namespace out of all the other options, and I think it will probably rebound quicker than some of the other options for airlines. Again, looking at the longer term yearly chart, we do have some nice confirmation there as well, and we're actually pretty close to the lows of the last year, right around 1780 here. That gives me a really tight risk level, and so if we break underneath that, I can comfortably and understandably get out of the trade. And if you look at this chart, I just think there's a lot more upside than downside, especially if you consider the market will probably rebound some more because it's down so much already. Again, really, I'm not an expert with investing, but I do plan on holding about 40 to 50 shares of United Airline for about 6 months minimum, maybe up to a year, waiting for the economy to rebound. I also might do this with a few other stocks, but that's a topic for a different video. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I am investing in United Airlines. It's a completely subjective trade. I'm not an expert, and we'll see how it goes. Remember team, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll be dropping a lot more online business and investing content. Go check out our first channel, Beginner Trading, that has over 20,000 subscribers where we day trade live on stream every weekday morning for free. And leave us a comment in the comment section letting us know if you agree with this trade or investment or not. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you all tomorrow morning.